What if everything you think you know about this week's Fed decision is completely wrong? With $376 million in liquidated positions, derivatives protocols exploding 52%, and the most anticipated rate cut of 2025 just hours away, the crypto market is about to face its ultimate stress test. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and in this Crypto Pulse update, I'll reveal exactly what's happening behind the scenes and how to position yourself before the market makes its next explosive move. Hey, crypto family, welcome to another Crypto Pulse Flash update where we cut through the noise to deliver actionable insights in just 6 minutes. If you're watching this, you know we're entering FOMC week, possibly the most anticipated Fed decision of 2025. But while everyone's obsessing over the obvious 25 basis point rate cut, smart money is making completely different moves that 99% of traders are missing. Let me break it down for you. Let's start with where we stand. Bitcoin holding strong at 114,827, down just 0.35% in consolidation mode. Ethereum at 4,522, down 1.61%, and Solana at 234, down 3.39%. But here's what most analysts aren't telling you. We just witnessed a massive $336 million liquidation cascade, with leveraged longs bearing the absolute brunt. This isn't random. It's textbook positioning before high-impact events. The market is literally shaking out weak hands before making its next move. While everyone's fixated on majors, look at what's actually leading the market right now. Derivatives sector up an incredible 9.12%, DePIN up 7.36%, launchpads up 6.85%. But the real story? Individual protocols are absolutely exploding. Avantis, or AVNT, surged 44% on massive Binance listing momentum. Union Token just rocketed 52% on their zero-knowledge interoperability layer launch. This isn't random rotation. This is smart money positioning ahead of the Fed. They're betting on infrastructure and yield-generating assets rather than pure narrative plays. Now here's the truly fascinating part most analysts completely miss. Despite this massive positioning happening, funding rates are staying eerily neutral. What does this tell us? The market is perfectly balanced between bulls and bears heading into Wednesday. This is the calm before the storm. The market literally coiled like a spring. Here's another critical signal. Pump.fun revenue just surged past $3 million daily, overtaking Hyperliquid for the first time since February. This isn't just a random stat. It shows real adoption happening in the streaming creator economy, regardless of macro conditions. Revenue-generating protocols are becoming the new safe havens of crypto. Meanwhile, Base Network just dropped what might be the biggest hint of 2025. They're officially exploring a network token. This could completely revolutionize L2 economics and trigger massive capital rotation in coming months. The infrastructure supercycle is accelerating faster than most realize. So what happens next? Let me break down the three scenarios we're monitoring. 1. Base case, 45% probability. FOMC delivers the expected 25 BP cut. We see volatility, but infrastructure protocols continue outperforming majors as the market digests the news. 2. Bearish case, 40% probability. Classic sell the news reaction with the 285 Mellers token unlock tsunami creating additional selling pressure. 3. Bullish case, 15% probability. Fed delivers surprisingly dovish guidance, triggering an explosive upside move as shorts get squeezed and institutional money floods in. For the next 48 hours, here's your game plan. 1. Reduce leverage ahead of Wednesday. The 376M liquidation cascade was your warning shot. 2. Watch for infrastructure protocols showing strength. They're leading indicators. 3. Pay close attention to Powell's forward guidance. It matters more than the actual cut. 4. Monitor funding rates for reversal signals after the announcement T-minus 48 hours to the Fed collision. The market has cleared weak hands while derivatives protocols surge 52%. As buyback mania cools from its 29% peak, smart money rotates to infrastructure winners with sustainable revenue models. The question is, are you positioned for the dovish breakout or the sell the news correction? Either way, avoid the over-leveraged middle ground that just got completely wiped out. This is Alex from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse update. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the crowd. I'll be back with another update right after the Fed decision. Until then, trade smart and manage your risk.